little more. Good. Oh God.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is
Ahoy.
6-ish. Yeah, 6:09. 6:09. A little bit later start than we wanted, believe it or not. About to ship out. It is pretty windy, I'm not gonna lie. I was only supposed to be like 5 miles an hour this morning, and it is currently feeling like it's 12 or 15. So we'll see how late we're out today. We do have some errands to run, some things to get around and kind of set up still. So let's get to it.
Not getting anything on the sonar right now, but we're not really on top of them because we don't want to be on top of them, you know what I'm saying? Dante's starting off with the old rattling Ned. I'm using the old drop shot. So the main goal is a pike or a muskie. Actually, you know what? Right now we just want to catch something. So obviously we're at the same exact spot we were last time. 3 years ago. It's this point. Water temp's about 70, or it's actually 69, but that's okay. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? We'll try this. See if we get anything on this. I might go make another one of these, honestly. What is this, under $100? It's decent, good enough for me. I like the blue braid, dude. That's this whole. I like this. I'm digging this. You want to use this or? Oh God. Little update. It's rough. And we're not talking about the fishing. Well, actually, that too. It's rough. Pond's rough. We haven't caught anything yet. We've been out here for 2 hours. Haven't caught anything. Dante said he had a bite. Maybe, maybe not. We're not sure. We might call it here in a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. A little more. Good. Oh wait, this is way off. You reverse it off a little.
All right, well, we went out this morning. It turned bad real quick. It was calm for maybe the first like hour. It kept getting worse and worse, and now it's like it's not good. We're heading into town, gonna hit the bait shop, and hopefully we'll find a different lake to fish at, because Oahe is not it's not liking us right now. So I hope we get something. Found this little lake. Honestly, it's not very big at all, but from what it's looking like, there's should be decent fish around. There's no walleye, but it is said to have northern pike as well as largemouth. So we're gonna fish this for a while, at least probably until the afternoon, the late afternoon, and then we'll probably head back, and hopefully Oahe is calmer by then, and we can put the boat in there. So yeah, I mean that's the game plan. That's about it. Calvin's already got his line in the water, so I'm already behind. Let's get to it.
Yeah, it's at 1%, but yeah, something small. I don't know what it is. Bass? All right, so we fished that small lake and we got one fish. Headed out. It is now 6:47 our time. The weird part about this campsite is we are literally on the line of mountain time. Literally on the line. Like as soon as we pull down in the camp and we get phone signal, whenever that happens, which is like once every hour, time changes. So we are technically behind an hour.
What?
Behind an hour? Yes.
Home it is 7:40.
It's 6, so it's 6.
So it is 6:46.
Yeah, so we're behind an hour, which I mean it really doesn't matter. Do the same thing we did last night. We're gonna go down. The shore here is still blowing like no other out there. We're gonna shore fish a little bit till late. Tomorrow is supposed to be perfect for wind, which perfect for wind is 0. Who knows though? Lake Oahe tends to make its own wind. So yeah, we'll see you guys down there. shore fishing. Dante's gonna be wearing the GoPro this time, not me, so stay tuned. About to walk down and shore fish, and there's a mule deer, and we saw a mule deer earlier up on the hills. I'm pretty sure, I thought he was a spike, but he was close to 300 yards away. I'm not sure if we're gonna spook him and go shore fish because he's kind of in our way.
I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, get those big ones, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, he's in our way, so I'm gonna take one last look at him and start walking. He'll probably prance off like Bambi. Yeah, just keep walking down. Yep, saw that coming.
What was it?
I'm not sure. It's probably a pike. Saw it coming as soon as it took me into the reeds there. Yeah, it was a pike.
Damn, dude.
Well, we could almost play safe and come back to the bay and just fish the shoreline until sundown.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cooking with Jones Brothers. Tonight, we're making a very special meal.
Before we start,
Close to
if you don't want your sweatshirt to be smoky,
Sorry.
just looking out for you, man. Appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Tonight, we're making some pizza.
Grilled cheese.
Some pizza grilled cheese. This is what some might consider a struggle meal, but that's all right. We're out here. We are somewhat struggling, especially with today's events and the amount of fish that we caught. So pretty much all this is 2 pieces of bread, put some marinara sauce on it, put your cheese or your pepperoni, and then pop it in the cast iron pie things, and you're good to go. So let's get some B-roll. Sizzling. How's your sandwich there, bud?
Nummy, my tummy.
Oh God. The inside looks phenomenal though. I mean, you can't, like, that cross section is just beautiful. But yeah, I think
It's just a little bit crisp. Just a little bit.
that's what they're supposed to look like. All right, so we're done with dinner. We're cleaning up for the night, getting settled. But yeah, only one bass, some bites. Not a fantastic day. Spent most of it driving around trying to find different things. That is going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more of this and more of this trip, turn notifications on. It'll let you know when our next video comes out. So, peace.